What is biohacking your morning?
Biohacking your morning means making small, intentional changes to your routine that enhance your energy, focus, and overall well-being. By understanding how your body and mind respond to different practices, even beginners can build a morning that sets the tone for a productive, healthier day.
The power of light exposure?
Expose yourself to natural light within the first hour of waking up. Natural sunlight signals your brain to stop producing melatonin, helping you feel more alert. Even on cloudy days, spending a few minutes outside or by a window can help reset your body's internal clock and improve your mood.
Hydrate before you caffeinate.
After a night's sleep, your body is often slightly dehydrated. Drink a glass of water before reaching for coffee or tea. Proper hydration helps boost metabolism, supports brain function, and can increase your sense of wakefulness more effectively than caffeine alone.
Movement to wake up your body.
A short session of light movement, such as stretching, yoga, or a brisk walk, can increase blood flow and oxygen to your brain. This helps banish grogginess and prepares both body and mind for the day, even if you're not a morning exercise person.
Mindful moments for focus.
Before diving into your tasks, try a few minutes of deep breathing or simple mindfulness exercises. This can lower stress, improve focus, and create a sense of calm that lasts through the morning. It's a simple habit that can make a big difference in how you approach your day.
Build your personalized morning.
Biohacking your routine doesn't require drastic changes. Experiment with these tips and notice what works best for you. Building a personalized, healthy morning habit can boost your alertness and well-being, paving the way for greater productivity and a more positive outlook every day.